Hello everyone, welcome. So the weather has been heating up and I have been loving putting together salads, and my favorite dressing to top my salad with is ranch. So today I'm going to make a homemade ranch dressing, and in addition I am going to use it to dip some of my air fryer wings in, because that is what we are having for dinner. So let's go ahead and get started with this dressing. So to this bowl I am going to add some buttermilk. And by the way, you guys, I didn't have any, so I made some homemade, and all you need to do is to take some heavy whipping cream and add to it some white vinegar. Then we're gonna add to that some mayonnaise, sour cream, just a touch of lemon juice, maybe about a half teaspoon or so. Let's go ahead and give that a mix, you guys. And now for our herbs and our seasoning. So I'm gonna add some fresh minced garlic. We've got some chives here. And some cilantro. Give that a mix. And to this, we're going to add some salt and some fresh ground pepper. And here we have it, you guys, a delicious, creamy, homemade ranch dressing. And you can use this for your salad. And as I said earlier, I am going to use some of this as a dipping sauce for some of those air fryer wings. Give it a try and let me know how you love it. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And please do remember to press that subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special by making delicious homemade recipes such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you, you guys, and I'll see you soon.